Hey everybody, thank you for checking out A1 Math, and today we're using the explicit formula for a geometric sequence. Okay, the steps for finding or using the explicit formula for a geometric sequence is the same as the arithmetic. Step 1, you want to find and label your three parts. Step 2, plug your three parts into your formula. And step 3, solve. Let's take a look at the example. So, even though this is similar to the the arithmetic sequence, there's certain parts that's different. One, instead of using A, we're using G. A for arithmetic, G for geometric. And instead of using D for the common difference, we're going to be trying R for the common ratio. And our formula is different. Our formula is going to be G sub n is equal to G sub 1 times R raised to the 10 minus 1, or should I say n minus 1. We'll get to the 10 part later. All right, so step 1, plug in our parts here. So we got 10. We're going to plug that in here. We got G sub 1. Now that's going to be similar to the arithmetic term, the arithmetic sequence. It's your first term. So that's going to be 3. And again, n is your 10th term here. Now we're going to find the common ratio. So instead of subtracting, we're going to divide the second minus the first, and then the third minus the second. So our common ratio is 2. The next thing you're going to do is we're going to take these numbers here and plug them in. That's our step 2 here. So the G sub 1, we're going to replace that n with 10. The G sub 1 is your first term, which is 3. We're going to put that here. We're going to multiply that times 2 raised to the n minus 1, and with the n being 10. All right, now once you get this part, you can plug it into your calculator. Right here. 3 times 2 raised to the 10 minus 1. Okay, and to get this to go up, you want to hit your caret right above your division sign. Once you do that, just hit enter, and 1,536 is your answer. So I'm going to show you how it is when you work it all the way out. You've got your 10 minus 1. And that's going to be your 2 raised to the 9th. And then your 2 raised to the 9th is going to be 512. And then 3 times 512 is going to be 1,536. So this will be your answer here. And that is using the the explicit formula for a geometric sequence. So here's some practice problems. And just to make sure you've done them correctly, here are your answers. Okay. I want to thank you for checking out A1 Math, and have a nice day.